Naaman was a leper. When a leper's skin, you know what's leper? It eats your bones and flesh, it falls apart. Just like a rose, every day you carry it, the petals fall down. Like it eats your skin and bone and flesh. Man, horrible. It stinks. That's why, they are put outside the premises. They are banned from because you can't even see, you can't even smell. When Naaman with that body, when he dipped in Jordan, the Bible says that his skin became like that of a child's skin. You see that? What skin? When a leper can be restored to that, how much more you who believe in Jesus? You see, you need to claim this stuff. You need to claim this stuff. The daily life, the pain of the daily life will drop you. The Lord is telling, I will restore to you. The years, whether it's 10 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, you have lost. The years that the locust has eaten, the cankerworm, the caterpillar, the palmer worm, maybe your husband, your elder son, your younger son, your daughter, whatever mess has happened, your neighbor, the guy who did the witchcraft or devil, what kind of devil, what generational curse has eaten your life? I'm telling the Lord is going to restore everything, every year back to you.